trim puller tool, and a slotted screwdriver. We'll begin by removing the cover. Use your trim tool to pry it open a bit, then you can use your fingers to pull the cover free. We highlight here where the clips of the cover fit into the housing. Detach the 3 clips on the map light lens. Use your screwdriver to pry free the clips, then use your trim tool to gently pull down the lens. Use your screwdriver again to pry free the next clip. And remove the lens. We again highlight the locking tabs. Pull free the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. Test it, and we can replace the lens. Push the lens in all around until it clips in place. Now we can repeat those same steps for the other side. Use your screwdriver to pry free the clips. Use your trim tool to pry off the lens. Remove the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED. Test it, and we can put it all back together. Push the lens into place until it locks. Push the housing cover back up until it locks into place. You can see how much brighter the new LED bulbs are. When we test the output with our light meter, the lux of the LED is more than 10 times brighter than the incandescent bulb. 6000 K white and more than 10 times brighter is a huge difference.